The National Parks Board said on Saturday that the injuries sustained by a male community cat in Punggol, which later died, were not clearly the result of a deliberate act of animal cruelty. This update comes days after NParks initially stated it was investigating the case as one of suspected animal cruelty. The cat, a male tabby named Shere Khan, also affectionately known as Papa Cat, was found injured near the loading and unloading bay of Block 326B Sumang Walk in Punggol. The incident is believed to have taken place on either 11th or 12th May. Animal welfare group Looney Singapore had suspected intentional abuse due to the nature of the cat's injuries, which they said could have been caused by strangulation or blunt force trauma. Founder Nina Astolfi cited a veterinary report indicating the cat had bilateral proptosis, swelling and lacerations on the tongue, superficial facial bruising, a head lesion, and frayed nails on all 4 paws. The cat was also hypothermic and dehydrated when brought to the clinic. According to NParks, the cat was retrieved on the morning of 12th May following public feedback and sent to a private veterinary clinic for immediate treatment. In a statement, Jessica Kwok, NParks Group Director of Enforcement and Investigation, said, "Based on the investigations and observations from the vet report, we did not find any overt evidence that the injuries were sustained due to a deliberate act of cruelty." She added that the vet report suggested blunt force trauma to the head, with a road traffic accident identified as a possible common cause. NParks also contacted the cat's caregiver, who was identified via its microchip, to coordinate care. "We understand that due to its injuries, the cat was subsequently euthanized on welfare grounds at the clinic and cremated," said Kwok. As part of its investigation, NParks interviewed the person who found the cat and reviewed available CCTV footage around the car park and the Bay Area. Based on the investigation findings, it is likely that the cat had sustained its injuries due to a vehicular accident, she added, noting that NParks has concluded its investigation into the case. In a Facebook post on 20 May, Senior Minister of State for National Development Tan Kiat Hau said, "The cat's death had affected many residents in Punggol, where Shere Khan was considered a beloved member of the community. I hope that the investigation gives them some closure," he wrote. Tan also expressed appreciation for the public's concern over the safety and welfare of community cats, saying that more could be done to protect them. He noted that as part of an ongoing review of the Animals and Birds Act, NParks is consulting stakeholders and animal welfare groups to enhance safeguards and penalties for animal cruelty. "I thank everyone who has spoken up passionately on this matter," he added. The Punggol incident is the second case involving a community cat that NParks has investigated in a week. On 9th May, another cat, affectionately known as King Kong, was found dead at Yi Sun Street 51 with signs of torture. According to residents and the animal welfare community, the cat was discovered with its eyes gouged out and its body dismembered. Addressing that case, Kwok said investigations are still ongoing. "We urge the public not to further speculate on the details of the ongoing case and to verify their information sources. These are crucial in allowing for a fair round of investigation to be carried out." She reiterated that NParks takes all public feedback on alleged animal cruelty seriously and investigates all such reports thoroughly.